Hey guys, Eric with Evade and Survive Tactical Training and Equipment. Hey, you know, everybody's got all these high-speed fire starting stuff, all these gels and strips and woods and this and tapes and, you know, char cloth and all this stuff, right? Well, here's a simple one that never, ever fails. A cotton ball. Cotton ball. You just pull it apart like this, right? And you take your handy dandy, good, you know, ferro rod. Like I got my Uberleben Hex Rod. This thing is awesome. My little girl loves it. And you blast it, right? You blast it. And it's like, it takes like 1 or 2 shots. Let me give it a try. This thing kicking with a big, there it is. First go. Look at that. First go. Boom, right? First go. There it is. Bam. Roger that. Okay? Cool. Anyway, cotton balls, dude. Cotton balls. You can buy a bag of cotton balls. Every time you go to the grocery store, every time you go to pick something up, get a bag of cotton balls. You can literally never run out of cotton balls. They're available. And, you know, I'm an Uberleben fan. There's all kind of rods out there, but this thing is, the new Hex Rod they got is, you know, outstanding. Their old rods are good too. I like, find yourself a quality brand like Uberleben and get their gear and stick with it. But man, you don't need all the fancy dancy stuff. It's cool to have. It's fun to have. I get it too, but cotton ball. All right, give it a try. All right, take care. Peace out.